Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin chart, we are here on the daily time frame and we can see that the price is still climbing higher. This gives you a good orientation of where we are in the larger cycle. And if we take a look at the move up from the November 2022 low, we can see already a 5-wave pattern to the upside. A 5-wave move typically ends a move or begins a new move. So that means after a 5-wave move, this could be the start of a larger pattern, but it would still typically be corrected before we go higher. And it is also possible that this entire 5-wave pattern is the completion or completes a much larger 5-wave pattern, which actually started in 2018. So that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means either way, after that next high which should form, a large price top could be in. Which means, first of all, it is important to have a profit-taking plan that suits your own risk profile, but it's also important to be aware that the subsequent correction that follows could be an opportunity. Now, it is too early to confirm a top, but I believe we are coming close to a major top. Whether you call that a bull market top or just a larger top, difficult to say, because we have to see how the market forms the correction. But either way, it should be a substantial top that might warrant caution, especially the current price area means, or where we are currently in this overall cycle means we have to be very much aware that a larger price top could form at any time. We have support levels on the chart here on the daily time frame, which are quite far away. That always means the risk is high. They are defined between 69,000 to 81,420. Why is the risk high? Because it takes a break below 68,900 to confirm, or for a first confirmation at least, that a larger price top has formed. So please be aware of that. I'm going to guide you as good as possible, but please note that once really a price top has formed, things can happen really quickly in the crypto sector. And I would like to see the price move to 130,000 next, ideally, which is where the price could attempt to form a top. Now, on the smaller time frame, since yesterday, the price did hold our support area and continued to climb higher moderately. Maybe today, maybe when you watch the video, the price has already made a new high, but maybe today we're going to move towards the next target on the smaller time frame, which is 110,400. This is what I mentioned as next ideal target for this wave 3, circle 3. Before then a wave 4 starts. Before then we could get one more high. What you see here on the smaller time frame is, at least I see it as that currently, circle wave 3, the larger wave 3 that you see on the larger time frame as well. So what you see here zoomed in more detail is this larger degree third wave. It is entirely possible that if we go up higher and see further direct upside extensions, this is going to form the complete rally, okay? That we will not see this additional 4-5. We had that in previous cycles where there just was not another healthy wave 4 and 5. The price just completed the entire rally in a very direct fashion. But that is not expected until we see more evidence for that. All I can say is on the larger time frame, the risk is getting high. We're in a larger topping area. The price top is always a process. It's not a single event. It's developments that follow each other. On the smaller time frame, there is still scope for further upside. The smaller time frame will be the first one that will give us an indication that a top has formed. But even if a local price top forms here on the smaller time frame, idea would still be that on the larger time frame we can still climb higher until really important support levels are broken. Which means today the focus is on higher prices, either directly, so we could reach that $110,000 more directly, or, and that's why I mentioned in the last video, in the very last video, that we could do this all within wave 5 of C of 3, Yeah, we do this, we dip into the lower support region and then recover from there. So we have 3 support regions here. The upper 2 ones are relevant for direct move up in the white scenario. Here we have support between $105,550 and $106,730. Well, this is the support area I presented to you yesterday. It did hold. A break below it would not be bearish. It might just lead a test of that second support area located between 104,210 and 104,970, and only below that a larger pullback is unfolding. Then I have to assume we're already in an internal 4th wave here on the smaller time frame, but that's not expected yet until we break that upper support. Also pay attention to the trend line. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thank you. Bye-bye.